friends, what's up? In today's video, I'm doing a little mini first impressions slash review slash tutorial on the Patrick Starrr and MAC collaboration, which I've been really excited to try because it's been sitting in my room for like 2 weeks now and I've been avoiding touching the products until I got in front of the camera to film with it. So today is that day. I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. I'm also going to show you guys swatches of the different eyeshadows and different lipsticks in the collection, and also like my opinion, if you guys give a shit about my opinion on the products. So let's get started. Yeah, it comes like this. Quickly to prime off with, I'm using my Benefit Professional. I'm going to try to speed through this foundation part just because you guys have seen me do it a bunch of times, but I don't know about you guys. I love watching like the whole process. I hate when the tutorial is like just the eyes or something. I like watching like start to finish. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus foundation. And you guys, if you haven't tried this foundation yet, it is such a good foundation. I've been using it a lot lately, like probably the past few times that I've done my makeup. I know I told you guys in a previous Get Ready With Me that I really like the Maybelline. I do like it, but probably only for like an hour or two at max. That foundation makes me so damn oily. It's not even funny. Like, I didn't even know my skin could get that oily with makeup on before that foundation. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face and blend it out, and then we'll get right in to the concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, and then obviously I'm going to set that with the Patrick Starrr. I believe he calls this, it's just called Patrick's Powder. So I'm really excited to actually like try this because I've heard amazing things about this, and obviously Patrick like loves to use like a good setting powder. So I'm hoping this is gonna be like a new favorite of mine. I'm always looking for a good setting powder. The one that I currently use is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I really like it. I tried the Kat Von D one and I did not like the Kat Von D one. I didn't hate it, but I didn't like love it either. So I'm just gonna pat this out lightly with my blender, and I'm still doing the same thing with my beauty blender where like I'm really lightly tapping the under eye area so I don't move around the product too much, and when it blends out kind of like this a little bit more, that's when I stop blending because otherwise I find that it takes away the coverage. I'm gonna go and dip into Patrick's powder. It's funny because it's not like the same color as the Laura Mercier powder. I would say that this powder is more on like the peachy side. I'm gonna pack this on because that's what Patrick does on his face. I've actually never tried a MAC setting powder before. I'm also gonna tap a little bit on my eyelids because my eyelids crease like crazy, and then I'm gonna go all over my face with the same setting powder, but I'm gonna actually go on with a brush, and I'm just gonna pat it all around my face. So I've only tried the powder so far. I'm gonna let that bake until I'm done my eyes, and then I'll see how it looks. He has two like quad eyeshadow palettes. They both look like this. These are the swatches for this palette here, and then this is Goal Getter. My swatches kind of suck, I know. But I'm actually going to use the Glam AF palette only because one of these shades, so in this palette, all the shades are actually like shades that MAC already has, like Embark and Soft Brown and things like that. But in this shade, in this palette here, I believe it's the Glam AF, Patrick has his own shadow that he created, and it's this one, and it's called Oh My God or Oh My God or however he says it. I'm going to start off with this shade here, and I'm just gonna put this all over the lid so I have something to work with, and also kind of like wipe off the translucent powder that I had on it. Take a fluffy brush. This one is the Morphe M535. I'm gonna go into this shade here, which is called Saddle. It's like a warm brown, and I'm gonna just put this all in my crease. I always start off with a very little bit because I have like a heavy hand when it comes to eyeshadows and stuff, and I find that it's a lot easier to blend if you just start off very light and then build it up to as you need it. Round it out here. You can put tape here at the end if you want, but honestly, I've told you guys this before that I don't like putting tape. I don't like that straight cut eyeshadow look, and it's really good to have like the translucent setting powder while you're doing your eyeshadow, because if you have any fallout, the powder will just catch it. A lot of makeup artists and stuff say that when they're blending out an eyeshadow, they're really like slightly touching, and honestly, like I used to like stab the shit out of my eye, but I've since changed my technique, and I will say that it does help a lot if you just kind of lightly touch your eye and blend it out rather than pressing very hard. Look at me teaching you guys new things. These are probably things you guys already know. And I'm going to go in with this color here, which is Embark. I'm going to take it on my MAC 217 brush, and I really like this brush because it's kind of like tapered, so it gets in the crease and stuff. Tap off the excess. So I'm just gonna like first tap on the color and just get it to like where I want it and build up the intensity, and then I will move forward with blending. Then I'm gonna go back into my blending brush and start blending out the eyeshadows. Then go back into the Embark eyeshadow, add some more. I'm basically going to add and then blend, add and blend. Just keep blending. It's gonna take a while. I'm also kind of taking it in the crease right here. Take the Embark eyeshadow on the tip of this brush, set it right here and go in circular motions. And this will give me that bombshell kind of blown out eyeshadow effect. And then go back with your brush and blend. I'm going to now take like a more of a flat brush, go into the Embark eyeshadow once again. I'm just gonna apply it here in the center. I'm going to dabble into a little bit of concealer on my pinky, and I'm going to put this in the center of the eye because it is like mostly covered with dark eyeshadow, and this is so when I put the shimmery shadow on, it'll like be more vibrant. So now going in back to my flat brush, I'm going to pick up the shade here that Patrick made. I'm going to pick up a lot of it, and then I'm also going to spray it with some Fix Plus. Then we're going to take this and put it right where we put the concealer. It's a really pretty like shimmery shade. Now I'm going to do the other eye, then we're gonna wipe off the powder underneath our eyes and then move forward. I put on winged eyeliner and I put on my lashes, and now I'm back. What I'm going to do is take the same eyeshadow, so it's like that shimmery rose gold one. I'm gonna take a pencil brush and then I'm gonna wet it and pop this in the inner tear duct of my eye just for a little bit of pop of color. But actually before we do that, we're going to remove all of the excess setting powder. Nice, like any normal setting powder. I feel like it's a little drying right here, but I'm not sure if that's my skin or if that's the powder. So I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow and put it in my inner tear duct to brighten that up. Now, normally I smoke out the bottom lashes, but when I have like a dark upper lid, I personally on me don't like bottom lashes. I feel like it makes my eyes look really small and weird. So what I'm gonna do instead is just smoke out the bottom lashes with the saddle color, just to give the under eyes some kind of color. I'm going to go into my waterline with a nude eyeliner, and this is once again just to brighten up my eyes a little bit because I feel like they look really small when I do a dark eyeshadow look. Okay, so now let's move to the rest of the face. I'm just going to bronze up and stuff because I look like I'm super washed out. So for bronzer, I'm going to use... I have yet to find a good bronzer, so I'm going to use my Shade and Light palette. Even though I tell you guys all the time that I don't like it, I feel like it makes me look muddy. I feel like everybody loves it for a reason, and maybe it's just the technique I use. I'm just gonna warm up my face a little bit. I don't want to contour or anything. For blush, I'm obviously using my Tarte blush book. I'm just gonna mix a few colors together and pop that on my cheeks and then blend it out with the same brush. I love blush so much. For highlight, we are going to use one of my really like my favorites from MAC, and it is the MAC Oh Darling. I'm going to take it on my Morphe M501. The next part is the fun part, and that's the lip products. So there are 9 lip products in total, 3 lip glosses, 3 lipsticks, and then 3 lip pencils. And each lip pencil, like each of the 3 categories are meant for each other. Like there's a lip pencil with the same color lipstick and same color lip gloss. So I'm really excited to show you, and I'm actually going to show you guys all 3 options. So we're going to start off with the nude one of this, starting off with the lip pencil, and this is called Edge to Edge, and we're going to start lining our lips. I'm not going to fill them in fully with this lip liner because I honestly, I don't like filling my lips in with lip liner because it just makes my lips so dry. And now I'm going to go in with the lipstick called She Betta Work. And it's a super nude pink lipstick. It like matches my hair color. Obviously the lipsticks, I believe, are the same formula as regular MAC lipsticks. Super creamy. I personally, for me, I think that this color is a little too light, like too pinky nude for me. I would prefer like a darker toned lipstick like this one that I'm gonna try next. Also does come with a lip gloss, and can I just tell you guys that I actually hate wearing lip gloss. Like I never really wore lip glosses ever. I'm sure you guys noticed, but I've recently started to like them. So I'm venturing out the same color to go with the lipstick, and it's called She Better Work, and I'm gonna apply this. There we go. Now the lip glosses are very, or at least this one, it's super shiny. I definitely made a mistake putting on this much of it, but I do like the color of the lip gloss. I feel like over top of a darker lipstick, like a darker nude, it'll look so nice. I like it. It looks nice. I think it matches with my hair color super nice too. So let's move on to the next lip color. I'm gonna start off with the lip liner in Mahogany, and this is a very dark brown color. So I'm gonna use this and line my lips. I suck at lip lining. The color called Mama Starrr, and it is a darker nude color. Pairs really nicely with that lip liner. I love this lipstick. I think it looks super nice, and I think if you have a deeper skin tone, this would look even better on you. Like I feel like I can lighten this up a little bit. I'm going to go in with the lip gloss in the same color, Mama Starrr, and I love that he named one of his products after his mom, because you guys know that like I'm with my mom 24/7. So when I saw that, I was like, that's so cute. Are my eyelashes still on? Yeah. I'm not going to apply as much as I did to the other color. I'm just going to put enough to have like a cute sheen to it. So this is a Mama Starrr. And the next one is a red. We are going to start off by lining our lips with the color Brick. Very nice. The lipstick to go with this is called Patrick Wu. Ruby Woo is such a beautiful red, so I'm assuming this one will be too. This one looks a lot more like brighter, like bam in your face. So that's Patrick Wu, and that's so pretty, you guys. It's like the kind of lipstick that will make your teeth look like so much more whiter than they already are. So I have that, and then obviously the matching lip gloss to go with it. Woo! This is gonna make your lips look juicy. And you guys, to be honest, like these are pigmented by themselves as well. Like as you guys can see, that's the lip gloss on my hand. My favorite way to wear like the lipstick and the lip glosses are with the Mama Starrr lip gloss on top of the She Better Work lipstick. I think it makes like the perfect nude color for me especially. So I like that combination the best. Like if I had to say for you guys to get something, I do really like the setting powder. So far from what I'm looking at it, like right now, like it looks really nice. I feel like it smoothened the under eye area a lot for me, and to be honest, the dry spot that I was telling you guys about, it's not there anymore, so I feel like it set nicely into my skin. I also do like the eyeshadows, but if you're somebody that collects eyeshadows, I'll be completely honest, you may just have similar shades like this in your collection already, so it's nothing like unique. I do feel like the setting powder is unique because it's really hard to find a good setting powder, and out of the lipsticks, once again, the combination that I like best is the Mama Starrr lip gloss with the She Better Work lipstick. I think that looks so pretty, but honestly all the colors are so nice. So yeah, that's it for the tutorial slash first impressions. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys are loving me uploading 5 times a week. Tomorrow there's gonna be a vlog. So yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys except to take care, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.